Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your Capital One credit card. Let's help you get started with both the mobile app and the web. The Capital One mobile app offers great benefits like managing your spending, tracking rewards, and receiving instant notifications about your account. Let's dive into setting up your Capital One account on the mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Prefer using the web? Head over to CapitalOne.com to begin your account setup. The process is straightforward. Now, let's link your credit card. Follow these steps carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. Once set up, make sure to explore the app's important features. You can set reminders and track your spending in just a few taps. For those who prefer managing their accounts via the web, log in and navigate to the settings where you can update your information easily. Encountered a problem? Don't worry. Here are some common issues and solutions to get you back on track. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions about the setup process to ensure you have all the information you need. Thank you for joining us. Now you're ready to maximize your Capital One experience. Don't forget to explore all the features the app has to offer.